Highest and best by 7 p.m. Thursday, April 8th. Immaculate one-owner home in move-in condition situated on large lot with easy commute to the Triad. Many updates have been done for you. Remodeled kitchen with new cabinets, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and triple window overlooking backyard for lots of natural light. New carpet and fresh paint throughout. Bonus room on lower level for you to customize to your needs. You'll love relaxing on the 16x15 covered patio with ceiling fan. Grill out on the deck with friends and family. New roof in 2015. Unfinished storage room is not included in square feet, but there is a vent in the closet so it could be converted to office etc. Refrigerator, washer, dryer, and microwave included. Home warranty included.